Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the secrets to manifesting abundance and wealth in our lives. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you: the ultra-dimensional wealth magnet. This revolutionary product has helped countless individuals manifest their financial dreams, and today, we're going to show you how it works. The ultra-dimensional wealth magnet is not just any ordinary manifestation tool. It taps into the power of the universe to help you attract wealth and abundance beyond your wildest dreams. Here are some of the incredible benefits of using the ultra-dimensional wealth magnet. Rapid manifestation. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to manifest wealth and abundance faster than ever before. Financial freedom. Say goodbye to financial stress and welcome financial freedom into your life. Abundance mindset. It helps you cultivate a positive and abundance-focused mindset that attracts opportunities. Universal energy. The wealth magnet harnesses the energy of the universe to align your desires with reality. Real results. Countless testimonials from satisfied users attest to the life-changing impact of this product. So, how does the ultra-dimensional wealth magnet work its magic? It's quite simple. Step 1. Set your intentions. Begin by clearly defining your financial goals and intentions. What do you want to manifest in your life? Step 2. Hear morning frequency audio in the morning and hear the night frequency audio in night. These two audio are the things all you want. Step 3. Daily practice. Incorporate this into your daily routine. The more you use it, the more powerful it becomes. Today, we have a special offer for our viewers. By clicking the link in the description below, you can get your own ultra-dimensional wealth magnet at an exclusive discounted price. Don't miss this opportunity to change your financial destiny. In conclusion, the ultra-dimensional wealth magnet is a game changer when it comes to manifesting wealth and abundance. It's time to unlock the doors to financial prosperity and live the life you've always dreamed of.